Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. I hope you're having a beautiful day. It's warm outside, so I'm going to make a salad for you today. Some people may call this an Italian salad, but actually it is called Antipasto Salad. It actually originated from Italy, and this salad is normally served before the main course in Italy. So if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next video upload. So without further ado, let's get this party started. So before we look at our ingredients, we are going to start our pot of water for the pasta. We're going to add some salt. That will speed up the process. With a little bit of oil. I'm using vegetable oil. This will prevent the noodles from sticking. About a tablespoon or so, ladies and gentlemen. And once the water comes to a boil, I'll add the noodles. So these are the ingredients we will need. Garlic cloves, pepper, oregano, honey Dijon mustard, red wine vinegar, or if you like, you may use balsamic. It's really up to you. Extra virgin olive oil, cherry or grape tomatoes, salami and pepperoni, a red onion. I'm using mozzarella cheese. However, because I'm not a feta cheese lover and it contains a lot of salt and feta cheese, it's really up to you what you want to use. We're going to use some black olives, green olives, which is my favorite, artichoke. Make sure they're hearts and they're also quartered for this recipe. And then we're going to need some red roasted bell peppers, or if you like, you have red bell pepper in your refrigerator, go ahead and put it in the oven and let it roast and you'll be fine. And then for our noodles, we're going to use the tricolor because this is going to take our salad to another level. And this is actually a 12-ounce box, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be delicious. I kid you not. So we'll let that boil. Meanwhile, let's cut up everything we need for our salad. So it's only going to take about 8 minutes for our noodles to get done. So let's cut up everything like I stated, move this out the way so you can actually see what I'm doing. I had 20 slices of pepperoni and 20 slices of the hard salami cut up for me at the deli. Now, there are a couple ways you can do this. It's really your choice. You can cut these in quarters or you can slice them very thin. Maybe in half and then in quarters. Well, in thirds. And that should be sufficient. On our can of olives, we're going to drain these. I am really not a fan of black olives, but they tell me they're good for you, so let's add in our olives. And whenever I make a recipe, if you don't like what I'm using, you can always substitute or leave it out. And we're gonna slice these in half, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we have our olives. So let's slice up our tomatoes. I'm gonna cut them up in quarters, ladies and gentlemen. Let us get a dish for it. Cut up our red onion first. rid of that outer layer. Alrighty, let's slice these up. I know y'all want me to cut like this, don't y'all? I got out the habit of cutting up my veggies, y'all. Oh yes, I got red onion in there. We're going to drain our artichokes. Now, our roasted peppers. If you don't want to use roasted peppers, you can grab a bell pepper, ladies and gentlemen, a red bell pepper, and just add it to this. You don't want it roasted, okay? So we got our roasted red peppers in there. Now this mozzarella cheese is pre-sliced. So I'm just basically gonna chop it down the center. And then we're just gonna break it to pieces. Little chunks, y'all. As such. Yes, I think that would be sufficient. Get out some garlic. You can use 1 or 2 cloves of garlic, ladies and gentlemen. Just dice this up very fine. Pour our 2 cloves of garlic in there. Let's add some pepper. Yeah, I know I love me some pepper, so. Like I said, season this to your liking, ladies and gentlemen. This honey Dijon mustard is gonna take it up 1 notch. I need a little bit of it though. And our red wine vinegar. A couple of shakes of it. And then an extra virgin olive oil. And you know, I think I will add some oregano in here as well. And I'm gonna mix in some balsamic vinegar, y'all. I'm just gonna add it in there. It's darker color. Your choice. Whisk this together. Until everything is well combined. Now I'm going to sample it. I like that color in there. Nice and rich. Oh, it got a sweetness in there, y'all. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, our pasta has cooled off. This is my favorite salad dish, y'all. When I'm making a salad. Actually, I think it was a chef salad or a Cobb salad. I'll post that link above in case you want to know how to make that recipe as well. Right now, I'm going to add in my dressing, because I definitely want the dressing to coat my noodles. Wrap around those edges of our noodles, yes. We don't want any dry noodles. So let's go ahead and add our dressing to that. Oh yes. You don't need much. You can see the difference as you mix in the dressing. And the noodles are not stuck together. Now if you want to, you can put this in a big dish, y'all. But for presentation, I'm just gonna make it in this long dish. I'm gonna start with my black olives right here in the center. How about that? Add in our peppers in between here, our roasted red peppers. Give it some color. Let's add in some tomatoes on the other side. Keep it consistent. I'm gonna add my artichokes. You know, I think I'm gonna cut these artichokes up, y'all. It looks, I mean, they're quarters, but they look pretty big to me. Let's put some artichokes on both sides. Give it some color. Trying to balance that out evenly on both sides. Let's add in some cheese. It was just around the edges, nothing major. And like I said, you can mix all this together, so I'm just showing you everything I'm adding in it, so it'll be easier for you to see. And then I'll post all the ingredients below. We need some red onions. Sort these out a little bit. Put them over here on this side. A little bit on this side. Does that not look pretty, y'all? So let's go ahead and add our meat over here. I actually did go ahead and chop up that entire package that I bought today from the store, ladies and gentlemen. So adding our salami over here. On the other side of our onions. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is our Antipasto Salad. What do y'all think? Our pasta's at the bottom. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. We're almost to our next milestone. If you have a question or a comment, please leave it below. I will respond. And if you have not done so already, hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next video upload. Y'all ready for me to plate this up and get some for you? Give me 1 second. So ladies and gentlemen, this is my largest bowl in the house. So what I'm going to do is take our salad. Ooh, does that not look delicious? And we're gonna pour it directly into this bowl to blend all the ingredients together. It's gonna coat everything together perfectly. Just wanna stir from the bottom to the top. What do y'all think? Y'all ready to get some? All right, let's plate this up for us. So we can get a bite. Yes, Jesus. I'm gonna add some more oregano on top of mine and some pepper. Oh, yum, yum, y'all. Let me grab me a fork. If y'all in the neighborhood who want some of this, y'all come on down, get you some. That's our artichoke hanging from the bottom, y'all. I'm gonna let you know how it tastes. Look at that. Y'all need to make this salad. Y'all, go grab you a box of noodles. Stop at the meat counter and come on home, boil your noodles and get you some of this pasta salad, y'all. Delicious. I'd like to thank you for watching the video. God bless you. Y'all have a wonderful evening, and I will see you on the next video.